Um, Papa,
Yeah?
you are welcome. Thank you very much for honoring this my call. And I want to use this opportunity to apologize the way I left the house. I shouldn't have done that.
Wonderful. You sound very different today. It's like you are now born again. Have you started going to church?
Papa, I don't think we are here for all this your question and I'm answering. No. I don't think that's not why I called you.
Okay, then why are we here? That you have known before coming.
Papa, have you taken time to watch other parents the way they taught their children moral values? Have you?
I'm very stupid. And you say we are not here for question and answers. You stupid idiot. Scallywag. Let me tell you, never you call me again for this kind of a meeting or nonsense.
I've been waiting for you here since now.
I mean, I'm hosting a meeting.
Please help me check through this thing. I forgot to tell you, and we have hit the deadline. I need to for you just go through this letter and see if it is okay. Please. I just have the deadline. I forgot to tell you, so just go through it and see if
It's Raf asking you to apply for partnership.
Be serious now. How can Raf ask me for partnership? This is civil defense. I applied for it and the deadline just
Are
need
you
to
not giving
submit,
Papa the reason to think that you are suffering from midlife crisis? Okay, how many of this have you done already? Are you not tired of submitting applications to police, to custom, now civil defense? See, you're making me to regret investing my time to working on the idea you and Raf shared with me.
Give me my work. I don't blame you. It's not me that brought it.
Stop! Let me act like your father for once. See, I've already paid for your workshop and you're going to attend at this weekend.
Oh, man, you have suffered. Who told you to apply? Did I tell you to pay for me for anything? Who send you work? Huh? Who asked you? Did I tell you to apply for anything for me? Or
I said I don't have to get permission from anybody. And if you wish to go in that suit you so desire, you're free.
Think as if I ran down. You don't know how to press my moving button, eh? So the suit is ready. Eh? I ran down. Your sins are forgiven. Just
My sins are forgiven.
Forget it. I just go through this thing. Just see if it's okay. Eh? Think as if it's me now. I just go this.
See, Papa said we are going to the village. I don't know if he has told you.
For what?
For is it council meeting? He said it. Has he told you?
They haven't told me anything. Cancel meeting. I don't understand that. I don't want to go to village to go and be discussing what with all those old men.
Well, I guess we'll find out from him.
You will go through this thing for me, eh? It's me now.
See, I don't have to see it.
Forget it, brother. I mean, just go through it. I'm waiting for you. I need to submit it. Deadline. Eh?
Okay.
And the suit.
I'll be right back.
Okay. I'm waiting for you.
All right,
I'm waiting. Please. Oh.
Family meeting, family issues. No one is exempt. It's a human thing. In this world, different strokes for different people. When we get it right in the family, the world will be a better place. Family is the bedrock of every society.